Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I gave a signal on VIX 25 one ace. We made so much profit, which I made about 800 over $800 with just $17. So today I've given the same on the same assets. I've given buy setup again from where we sold to. So this is where I sold from here, from this point yesterday, from this very point yesterday. So we sold down to this level, just took my profit, and I started buying from there after I saw the reversal. I knew that markets would be reversing from this very spot. That's why I sold down to this point. So if you want to know how my reason for the selling for selling these assets yesterday, VIX 25 one is, check my previous video to see how I did the stacking, or how I could make over 850 or $80 with just $17. Okay, so check my previous video, the one I uploaded yesterday, to confirm my entries, how I did the stacking and everything, how what was my reason for selling this VIX 25 one ace. Okay, then today again, I said just made withdrawal from the $880 I made withdrawal of about $800. Okay, made withdrawal of $800. So it dropped to $70. So from the $70 now, let me show you how much we are making now, how much is running right now. See, from the $70, we having about $200 profits running. That is about $270. So we are blessed, guys. It's not this is not a capital problem. It's not a capital problem. I think it's a strategy problem. We need a working strategy, a proven and profitable strategy. Okay. You cannot be successful trading the financial markets without having a good strategy. A strategy that you're sure you've seen someone use the same strategy and it works, it plays out like time every time the person enters a trade. Okay, so you can see now today we are making good profits from the same place we saw from this top all the way down. Now we are buying from here up again, and we are running over $200 in profits. Over $200 in profits. If I show you my VIP, you see we are making good profits right now. All right, so I will show you guys my reason for this very trade. I'll show you guys my reason for this very trade. I'll show you guys my reasons for this very trade, how I've been manipulating the market, I'm knowing my entries, where to take my profits, where to place my SL, why I should buy and why I shouldn't buy or sell. Okay. So if you stay to the end, you'll be able to do what I'm doing, how to do the stacking, how to flip accounts without blowing out your account. All right, so that's what I'll be showing you guys today. For if you are new on our channel, or maybe you're seeing my video for the first time, you've not subscribed before, please kindly do so, because I'm always giving very informative videos, or well detailed videos on this channel about how to be successful in trading. Okay, how to be successful in trading. And before I start, I would like to advise you guys to learn price action. You must not learn price action from me, but learn from anybody you think is doing well. Someone you think, or you've seen, not just think, you've seen this person doing well, made some withdrawals. Okay. In the end of this video, I'll also show you guys how the withdrawal I made. Okay, I don't scam anybody here. We do the right stuff. So I'll quickly show you guys my VIP signal platform before I show you guys how to do the analysis and take trade and flip accounts without having to blow out your account. So this is my VIP. You see, I've given the signal. All right. VIX 25 one is very volatile. It moves very fast. This is how much we made yesterday, about 864 from the signal I gave last yesterday. So yeah, so you can see how much we are running in profits already. From $70, we've made about $220 from with $70. All right, let me quickly show you guys my reasons for this trade. So my reasons for this trade would be, yesterday I saw this move from this point, from this point. You guys need to go back to watch the last video I uploaded, where I explained why I took the sell from where it is from here to that low. All right, so I took this trade because it was a downtrend. It was a downtrend. All right, there was a minor structure, little structure here around this level that told me that market will be selling from that point. All right, you can see where market reversed from this level. So that told me I figured like that markets will be selling from this very level because we are in a downtrend. Okay, in a downtrend. But then there's a POI that I saw here, which is this level. I saw this POI, which is the reason for buying this market. I saw this POI here, and I knew that markets would be coming back to hunt the buyers out because it has created these highs here. It has created these highs here. I knew that markets would be going back to hunt to take them out, to hunt their SL and take them out. So I had to sell from that top. I had to sell from this top. Had to sell from this top. Sorry, I was supposed to use my laptop, my system to make this video, but I realized that you guys don't love watching um videos from laptop. I don't know. So I prefer using my phone to do my analysis or to show you guys how my reasons for the trade because lately I've been using my phone for my analysis. Yeah. Okay, so I knew that markets will be dropping again from this zone to this POI. POI's points of interest to my points of interest. So um, I decided to sell from here just to hunt these points of interest. That's why immediately I closed out. I gave the buy signal, and we are eating right now. So now this POI, if you check on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend because we were having a downtrend. We were having a downtrend before market started changing this uh, changing the direction from going down. I can see we had the last bullish bearish structure, lower high here. The market went created a lower low, then goes up again, went up and broke this lower high. Breaking this lower high, went up and did a pullback and started pushing up. Then again around this level here, you can see market created a new high here. Okay, there was a high, lower high here that's got broken, which is this one here, got broken. So saying that, you know that market, we are in a downtrend. So because market has broken 2 to 3 strong bullish lower highs, right? So that should tell you that we are in an uptrend. Markets will be going up, and then you can see around this level the rejections we are having, the rejections. The market is trying really hard to push back to the upside. So yeah, that's my reason for looking for buying opportunity. So for yesterday, I knew that there's a POI around this zone, so I decided to sell from this level here down to this point. So let's check again on the 4 hours time frame. You see that we are in an uptrend. You can see that this is an uptrend, guys. This is an uptrend. It's an uptrend. So you can see that, right? So I knew that markets will be dropping back trend, to this trend line. You can see that market dropped back to this trend line from this level we sold it from yesterday. Market dropped back to this trend line and is now pushing. This time around, it will be taking these guys out. It will be taking these buyers, these sellers out completely. These sellers here completely. Then my thing is a pullback, but market is actually going above this structure this time around. Market is actually going above the structure this time around, above the structure, and probably to this level again. So that's the reason for giving the buy signal. All right, because market dropped back to a key support zone, a key support zone, which is this one, okay, which is this level here, and it will be taking these guys out again all the way to this point or even above this point. Okay, so that's my reason for the trade. Remember, market is in an uptrend and market dropped back. There was a POI here. One, market is in an uptrend. We could see on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, we broke some structures, some highs on the daily time frame, and market dropped back to a POI here. So we have like three reasons. Market dropped back to a POI, which is this level that I saw spotted out yesterday. Market dropped back to this POI. Two, market is we are in an uptrend because we've seen those break off highs. Okay, we are in an uptrend. That's two. Then market dropped back to this trend line here. That's three. And we should have confirmation like the candlestick confirmation and other confirmations. Okay, so you must always have like two to three to four or five reasons why you're taking a trade. Like five reasons why you're taking a trade. All right. That way you build to build your story, you build to have this confidence. That's why you see I could hold a trade with just $17 without fear. Even when it was pulling back very close to my entry, I did not close out because I was so certain. I had so many confirmations. So you must have so many confirmations. And once you start having doubt, like you start doubting yourself, your setup is maybe you're not sure, you don't have that confidence, which means it's likely to go against you. Right. So having to, redefine your entries, um, get more reasons why you're taking this trade will give you the confidence to hold the trade till your target is smashed. Okay, so that's simple, guys. That's simple, guys. My VIPs are eating. Even the academy, they know how to do this analysis. So, like I said, stop looking for boom and crash strategy or indicator strategy. Start looking for a working price action strategy, a successful, a profitable price action strategy. Okay, that's the only way. Unless you don't want to be you don't want to trade for a long time, or you don't want to be profitable, you just want to be called or be seen as a trader, not a profitable trader. So if you want to be profitable, you need to learn price action. Look for a mentor, learn price action, guys. So I think that will be all for now. Don't have much again. Don't have much to say. That'll be all for now. If you didn't smash that like button, do so now. Subscribe, drop some good comments, share this video with your friends, and check the description box to join the free Telegram channel for free signals, updates, and other things, important things. That'll be all. Bye bye.